Join us at Precision Camera and Video in the Woodlands for our Anniversary Expo on May 26th and 27th. It's going to be a day filled with great deals, including select sales on all major brands, such as Fujifilm, Lumix, OM System, Nikon, Sony, and Canon. Whether you're looking for a new camera body or that dream lens you've been eyeing, now is the perfect time to save some money. Some restrictions do apply, so be sure to check with our expert staff. But that's not all. We're also offering a 15% discount on select items to keep your gear safe and stable. Choose from a wide range of tripods, from Surai, Benro, Manfrotto, and Peak Design, to elevate your photography game and keep your gear off the ground. Protect your gear from the elements with functional yet fashionable camera bags available at our expo. From dual straps to over-the-shoulder options, and even small pouches, we have a variety of styles to suit your needs. Choose from brands like Manfrotto, Peak Design, Nomadic, Wandered, ProMaster, Tenba, Think Tank, and Case Logic. If you're looking to stylize your images and protect your lenses from scratches, we've got you covered with our filters. Choose from ND filters, polarizers, or protective filters to enhance your photography experience. And for those in need of additional lighting, we're offering a 10% discount on all lighting during our expo, excluding ProPhoto. But wait, there's more! Join us in our classroom for free classes running all day on both May 26th and 27th. Learn from some of the best in the industry and enhance your photography skills. Mark your calendars and don't miss out on our Anniversary Expo on May 26th and 27th. First 50 customers get a coupon valued up to $100. The sale lasts all day on both days, so we'll see you there.